Hey crafty cuties, I haven't done a haul in a while, and so I thought I would share some of the things with you. I know a lot of you have the same interest as me. A lot of you do pen pal mail and things like that, so I just thought I'd show you some of my favorite products. These are all from Amazon. I honestly do most of my shopping there, so I'll have links down below. They are affiliate links, which I've mentioned in the past before. If you don't feel comfortable using an affiliate link, you can just look these up on your own. I get like a teeny tiny, like 5-cent commission if you purchase something off my list, and I do appreciate that because I just use that money to buy more products that I need for videos and things like that. But again, I do not care if you use my link or not, but it'll be down below to make it easy for you. So let's see, a lot of these are repeat buys, but a few of them are new, and I thought I would start with these. I don't know why I thought these were so fun, but especially for the Christmas season, these are red tags. They say repair required, but they're so fun. I think they would be really cool to alter, or I don't know, I've already used 2 in my journal, and I like how they look, and they were really inexpensive. A lot of times on Amazon, when you order things like this, you get a ton. Like I think this was 100 or 200, I don't remember, for maybe like $6.99. I don't know, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I know it might seem like a lot, but if you do pen pal mail like me, then it's kind of a good deal to do it this way, even if you're not going to probably use all of them yourself. So that was a new purchase that I liked. This is a repeat buy, and these are just little like vellum or wax envelopes, but they're teeny tiny. I like this size for junk journals just because it's a cute size to put on a journal page and then add in either a small picture. This is perfect for a Polaroid picture. Here, let me show you. You could put a Polaroid picture in there easily, or you know, ephemera and things like that, so that things don't get lost, and then it's just like a fun texture. And so there's that, and I think this size is like a 2 by 3, something like that. I buy these all the time, and I honestly go through them really quicker than you would think. Some of these things I've already used, but I just kind of put enough aside so that it would be worth a haul video. So like I don't have the whole pack to show you, but these I go through a ton. You guys see me use these in my videos. They're just policy envelopes, but something about this size I love. It's 3 inches by 6 inches. It's perfect for like a guest check or a tag, something like that. I just like the look of them. I like the color. They're easy to alter, or you can just use them how they are, but they're also really great to package things up, again, for pen pal mail. And I had the hardest time finding these for a while for a decent price, and finally just found them on Amazon for not too bad. I think it was a 100 pack as well. So that's something that I buy often, but like I said, I just recently found them again on Amazon. These are something that I put in my journals a lot. I just love little pockets and envelopes, things that are different, and I don't know. So these are cool because they have this little flap, which makes it cool if you are, let's say this is your journal page, and you can put this over the top like this. You could alter this right here, or like glue on a journaling card. It's the perfect size for that. And then, you know, on your other side you have this. And again, think outside the box. Like, even though it has like name, address, phone, like you could use that, you know, maybe if you went somewhere and you wanted to put something in your journal about like the place you stayed at, you could put the address and things like that. But you can also alter this, and that's what I normally do. And then when you flip it up, it has more little areas, but it's also an envelope. So I really like those, and yeah, I put these in my journals a lot. What else? I know it's kind of like a mess on here, but these envelopes I'm loving. So I started putting these in my journals after I just did my Christmas journal collection, but I was strictly using them for my pen pal mail, and they are really great because they're heavy duty. They're a 5 by 7 size, which kind of makes it nice because I know that I can, if I fill this and keep it rather flat, the shipping will be rather inexpensive. Usually I can get away with 1 or 2 stamps. I think that's how, I always take it to the post office just to make sure. But anyways, I just like the look of the craft paper. It also has the sticky tape here. You just peel that off, and then it's sticky tape, which I love because I hate envelopes that have the part where you're supposed to lick it. Is that called the gummed? I don't know what it's called, but I hate that because I don't lick them. I would rather just use glue. So that's nice and convenient, and they're just good quality envelopes. Kind of a random, a lot of these are super duper plain, you can see, but they're just things I really like. These, I get a lot of questions. Now I actually have some other bags that are similar to this, but almost a different look to them. And for some reason my shipping got delayed, so they're not here yet, but I thought I would show these because people ask me all the time where I get these. You can find them on Etsy quite a bit, but honestly they're marked up quite a bit, or the ones I've seen. So if you are interested in these, I highly recommend to buy them off Amazon. Again, I think they do come in a 50 or 100 pack, which I know seems like a lot, but if you price it out off of Etsy compared to Amazon, and it's going to be a better price. So anyways, yeah, these are just fun, again, for my Etsy orders, but a lot of times, again, I put them in my journals. I think it's just a fun vintage newsprint look, and I got a lot of questions, so I just wanted to show you guys that. This is a new purchase, and again, like all of these things are good prices. I mean, if you guys shop Amazon, you know that most things are. But these, I got all of these in one pack, and they are just little envelopes, of course, like policy envelopes, but they have prints. Now, I know we're still kind of in the Christmas winter season, but I'm already thinking ahead, and I'm thinking like this, all of these prints seem really cool for spring. And then also just to change it up a bit, because all of my mail lately has been, it's been more winter and Christmas themed. And so when I'm sending out my mail, I kind of like to think ahead to the next season so that my pen pals can get use out of the items, you know, a little bit into the future rather than just, oh, they better use it right now. So anyways, I thought we'd take these out because again, this is a new product. So yeah, for this whole pack, you got all of these different prints, and I just think it's a fun size. The top is, oh yeah, here we go. So the top has the kind of like the scalloped little edge there, and you know, just a good size. And again, I'm always looking for bags like this that are flat and don't have a gusset, because those work the best in journals. These are also probably more like 7 inches tall, and so they would be really good to fold in half also for journals. That would be the perfect size to just stick a journaling card in. So I'm really excited. These are going in my next pen pal send out for my Patreon group, which I'll have linked below, because like I said, all of these things are what I use in my pen pal mail that goes to my patrons. And I use these things, of course, in my Etsy orders and whatnot. So these I found, and I was just looking for some fun little things that still were Christmas to include in my pen pal mail, just something that they might be able to use. I didn't want their pen pal mail this month to be fully Christmas themed, but I wanted to add a few Christmas things into the package. So I just wanted to try something new, and when I found these on Amazon, I was thinking they are so cute, and I think it's like 100 tags, so you get a ton here, but I just thought the prints were really cute. It does come with the gold, it's not thread, it's a lot thicker, almost like it's elastic, so seems really good quality. These are really thick too. I kind of thought these might be really thin because the price was pretty good, and I wanted something different than like all of the tags that I already have. I feel like my phone or my camera keeps going out of focus. I'm still getting used to the camera, guys. Sorry about that. I really hope the whole thing hasn't been out of focus, but I think this print is so cute. It's kind of like a retro theme. What else do we have in here? I haven't gone through these yet. Oh, this is why I wanted it, honestly. I love these candy canes. Again, I think it's, oh gosh, it is going out of focus. That's a bummer. Okay, I'm gonna probably have to come closer, I guess, but it's a good camera, but I just haven't figured out how to use it yet. So yeah, these are cute little candy canes. And then you can see there's just a ton of each design. We have, oh yeah, that's right, Christmas trees. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. And then you have the birds, but look, that's right. I remember when I saw these, I was like, I have to get these just because of the candy cane and then the deer. So cute. And it looks like there's like, I don't know, 15 or something of each print. I don't know, something like that. But these are cute. I'm really glad. And I'll probably use these on my gifts as well, but mostly pen pal mail. Okay, and I am going to talk about my camera in a minute because I got it from Amazon as well. But I also wanted to do something a little different in my pen pal mail and journals, and so I got this, is it a 100 pack or 200? I don't remember. They're just charms, but charms can be expensive depending on where you get them. Now I went with gold, which I'll be honest, I don't usually do gold, but they're just keys, and you can see there's just so many. the reason I got gold is because I wanted to use these gold paper clips that I also got. These were like $2, which I'm telling you is a way better deal than in the store. But I'll just show you really quick. And this is a standard size paper clip because this brand specifically is really heavy duty. So obviously this is another thing I got. The ACCO, ACO, I don't know. But they're really heavy duty. And so they're perfect for something like this where you're gonna put a charm on to make a fun little charm for like the edge of your journal or whatever you want to use it for. But see, the golds just go together. So I'm really glad that I went with gold on that. So yeah, I'm excited, and I've bought a lot of keys before. And I feel like in the last one I got from like eBay, it had really weird shapes, but these all look really like things that I think are cute. So I'm excited to get those on. I'm thinking these will go out in my next pen pal mail, but it kind of depends because I have other things coming from Paper Harbor Co. as well, which is an Etsy shop, and she has lots of vintage things. So I'll have another haul when that stuff comes. Now I've used up most of these, but I just thought I would give you the exact link because I did have a few people asking where I get my mini bells. Now the thing about these mini bells that I like versus other ones I've had, they have a little loop on the top, which make it really easy to either stick onto a paper clip or put on like a charm. Okay, so I know we're not in focus. Sorry. Let's see if we can get that to focus because I want you to see this little loop. Okay, so there is a teeny little loop at the top. It might be pointless to try and show you, but I hope you can see that. And so that's like big enough for a keychain, or not a keychain, but a paper clip or whatever. Anyways, and they're brass colored, so I like those. Might as well, this is here. So I never knew that Amazon had like a selection of vintage books, and I have like 2 more coming. One is The Little Skater. It's a really popular one, and I got it for $4.99, and then this one was like $2.99. And I got a little card and some extras in here, but it's in good quality, and I just thought it was be cute to have on hand so that I can actually use this in my own journal. So I thought I would mention that, and I don't know if I probably won't be able to put exact links to the books because those are something, I don't think it's like an Amazon Prime. There's just random people that are selling like one book, you know what I mean? Because this is like one of a kind kind of thing. If I can find any, I'll still put them below. It's just not going to be, they don't have like a ton because they're not generic. Okay, and then the last thing I guess I wanted to share before my camera is I like using these cellophane bags, 5x7. Again, they're just flat, and they make it really nice if you have like a pen pal like project to put it in one of these because it protects it, and I think it just looks nice, nicely presented that way. So yeah, I'm excited to dig into all this stuff, but I thought I would show you too what camera I got. Now, I promise it's a great camera. It's user error. I haven't figured it out yet. And the reason I know is because I used to film with the G7X, just the G7X, loved it, but I broke it. And so this is the G7X Mark II. There's also a Mark III, but I watched 100 different reviews, and so many reviewers said that the Mark II is way better in so many departments. So I went with this, and I got it for a really great deal on Black Friday, but I even just checked the price today, and it's still a decent price when it's not Black Friday. Of course, it is a more expensive camera, but if you're someone who does videos like me, or you vlog, or you just want a nice handheld camera, I thought I would just mention that I did get it on Amazon, and so there we go. I'm excited to use it, but again, it's going to take me a bit to kind of figure out my focusing and stuff. Okay guys, well, everything's so glary now, so I think that's it for today's video. Probably back to the December daily videos soon, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.